Unveiling the Warmth. Understanding cozy atmosphere. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful intricacies of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that wraps you in a blanket of warmth just by saying it: cozy atmosphere. It's a phrase that evokes feelings of comfort, warmth, and homeliness. Whether you're a language learner or simply someone who loves to bask in the nuances of English, you're in for a treat as we unravel the meaning and usage of this heartwarming phrase. To truly appreciate the phrase, cozy atmosphere, it's essential to understand its components. The word, cozy, itself suggests a feeling of comfort, warmth, and relaxation, often in a small, intimate setting. It's that sensation you get when you're wrapped in a soft blanket, with a hot drink in your hand, and no place to rush off to. An atmosphere refers to the feeling or mood of a particular place or setting. It's the invisible cloak that envelops you when you step into a space, immediately giving you a sense of the place's character and vibe. When combined, cozy atmosphere describes a setting that is not just physically comfortable but also emotionally soothing and inviting. It's a place where you feel at ease, welcomed, and content. How can one create a cozy atmosphere? This section is particularly interesting because it transcends language learning, touching on cultural nuances and personal preferences. Generally, a cozy atmosphere can be achieved through warm lighting. Soft, warm lights can transform a stark space into a welcoming haven. Comfortable seating, plush sofas, armchairs, and cushions invite relaxation and comfort. Personal touches, photos, books, and personal mementos add a layer of intimacy and warmth. Soothing colors, earth tones and soft pastels can calm the mind and soothe the senses. The right temperature. A space that is neither too hot nor too cold contributes significantly to its coziness. Let's bring cozy atmosphere to life with some everyday examples. A small coffee shop with dim lighting, soft music, and comfortable couches offers a cozy atmosphere for its patrons. A living room at home, with a roaring fire in the fireplace, thick, soft rugs on the floor, and family photos on the walls, exudes a cozy atmosphere. A bookstore with quiet nooks, warm lighting, and the smell of old books creates a cozy atmosphere for book lovers. These examples illustrate how varied and universal the concept of a cozy atmosphere can be, transcending languages and cultures. Understanding and using the phrase, cozy atmosphere, enriches our communication, allowing us to express complex feelings and settings succinctly and vividly. We hope this video has wrapped you in the warmth of knowledge, helping you grasp not just the meaning of the phrase but also the feeling it evokes. Until next time, keep finding those cozy atmospheres in your own life and language journey. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this exploration both helpful and heartwarming.